February 7th, 2020. We're getting a little bit of a snowstorm today. I think we've got a little better than a foot already.
Yeah.
And it is snowing like crazy here.
Yeah.
Duke's in the back seat. Can't see him, but you can hear him, I'm sure.
Hi.
We're coming down Baptist Road right now. It's a pretty steep hill. And it is pouring snow. We're getting 2 to 3 inches an hour right now.
I said that when we wake up, it will probably be up to the living room.
Wow, that would certainly be a lot, wouldn't it?
But that might be what happened actually.
We had snow day number 9 for school today.
Yes, that'd be fun. And we have 92 days of school. 93 days. I mean 94.
And it is really, really coming down. Normally from this vantage point you can see Pikes Peak and Mount Herman.
But you can't anymore.
Which is probably 5 to 6 miles from here, I think. And you're lucky if you can see 100 yards right now at the most. Big flakes,
Yeah,
and it's coming down really fast.
Yeah, it's actually coming down fast, like how fast I run, which I run
New
pretty
text message from Tim Dittner, KX.
Oh, sorry about that. That was a text.
That's okay.
New text message from Tim Dittner, KX.
But yeah, I do run pretty fast. 20 miles an hour per second.
20 mile an hour per second?
Yes, that's how fast I
That's interesting.
It's fast.
That would be very fast, I think,
That is.
if that's possible. 20 mile an hour per second.
That's how fast I run.
Wow.
And that actually might be how fast it's snowing right now. Let me see.
And it's 17 degrees outside.
And now it's getting a little darker now because it's snowing a little more.
And believe it or not, it's actually snowing harder now than it was a couple minutes ago.
It's actually snowing like,
Today we're supposed to have our weigh-in for Pinewood Derby for Cub Scouts.
and I don't think we're gonna have that.
And that might not happen because there's a lot of snow right now.
We might not even have the Pinewood Derby.
Yeah, we
until
might
next week.
have to
Until 2
reschedule that.
weeks ago.
Might have to reschedule it for next weekend.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, there comes somebody spinning their tires.
But who?
There's a minivan back there. Minivans, I don't necessarily think belong on this road right now.
No, to me either. They could get hurt bad.
We don't want to see anybody get hurt.
No, we don't.
But maybe that's all they have and they have to go somewhere.
Maybe. That's what they only have. Because they didn't have enough money to buy something else.
We're getting pretty low on our battery. We're going to see if this battery will last until we get home.
Maybe.
And you can see what it looks like all the way to the house. The snow plows are out, but there's just so much snow that they're having a hard time keeping up.